Good day guys, you're welcome to Browsingtechzone YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to activate your free experience trading bots on Iearnbot platform. So the Iearnbot platform review, I've dropped it on Browsingtechzone.com. So if you need to know the review, if the platform is legit or not, or you need to know about the platform, you can go to Browsingtechzone.com. So once you get to Browsingtechzone.com, all you have to do is to click on the search icon. Once you click on the search icon here, so immediately you click on the search icon, then you're going to type Iearnbot here. So it will bring suggestion here. Can you see? So this is the platform here. So you click it, then after clicking it you will be able to see the detailed review. If you want to register, how to get to the registration page, you're going to see the link there. Can you see? So these are the detailed information that I released about the guide. These are the registration link. Can you see? This is one here. You will still see another one as you continue reading the guide. But in this video, all I just want to show you is how to get into your account and probably activate your free bots. So right now I'm going to create a new account so that I'll be able to show you in real time how to activate your own free bot and how to take the other necessary steps. But if you want to know if the platform is legit, if you can invest on the platform and other things you need to know about the platform, you must read our review. You know, this is Browsingtechzone.com. We are not in any way related to Iearnbot platform or any other platform. Our own is to drop a detailed review, so you read, understand and act according to your own choice. So that is that about that. So right now I'm going to pause this video now. I am going to register, so I will put my phone number here. I will click on get verification code, so I will use it to verify. I will choose a password. The password that you are going to choose, make sure it consists of a special character like star, hash, apostrophe and etc, like that, a capital letter, a small letter and some digits, and make sure it is at least six figures. So those are the rules for setting password. So this box here, you're going to leave it like that, then you're going to click on registered now once you're able to fill all the required information. So in order not to waste your time, I'm going to pause this video now. So before I come back, make sure you've subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do that now. Use this period to do that. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a new video, you will get notified that we drop a video. Thank you. Welcome back. I think I should show you this, because some people, this is a security check, and all you have to do is to arrange these circles according to this. Can you see? If you can check here, this is 7, 9, Y and N. So you're going to choose 7 first, you're going to choose 9, you're going to choose Y, and you're going to choose N. Then you click on OK. So immediately you click on OK, the verification code will be sent to your mobile phone number. So I've input my mobile phone number here. So let me check the phone for verification code. I'm expecting the verification code and it should come. Okay, it arrived already. So this is 327410. So I'm going to input it here. 327 410. So that is the verification code. I'm going to click on register now. So immediately, can you see this registered successfully? So register successfully. Okay, I'll be asked for, I want to log in right now. So let me just log in. So now I'm going to click on login. So immediately I'm able to click on login, then I'm going to okay, so this is my account here. Can you see? So So this is the account here. So immediately you get into your account, the next thing is to activate your experience bot. So I'm going to allow this page to load fully. So this is the place you're going to, can you see? So you're going to swipe it to the left here. What will be displayed here right now is the experience stuff. So it's supposed to display, but I don't know why it's not showing. I want it to okay, I want it to display so that you know exactly what you're going to see when you get to the, I don't want it to but it is blank. Okay, it has displayed. Okay, can you see? So this is what you're going to click. So immediately you click it, you're just going to click on buy now. Don't touch anything, just click on buy now, then click on confirm. So immediately you click on confirm, then the purchase will be successful. So you wait for it to load to another page, and this is the page. Then you're going to click on activate. So immediately you click on activate, it will start working, as you can see here. Can you see? So it will start working already. So all you have to do is to go back to home page. What's going on here? So this is your home page right here. So we've completed the first step, which is activating the free trading bot. So the next step is this is not okay. So all you have to do is to click here. So immediately you click here, you're going to click on identity verification. Can you see it here? So this is identity verification. You're going to click on identity verification. So once you click on identity verification, then you're going to select the mode of verification that you prefer. So this is ID card, passport, driver's license. In my own case, I used ID card. So if you have passport, you can use it. If you have driver's license, you can use it. So once you submit it, then your account will be verified. So that is how to verify your account. Make sure you verify your account before proceeding with any other thing. So after which you've verified your account, the next thing right here is to set a payment method. But before you can set a payment method, you're going to complete your identity verification first. So after which you've completed your identity verification, that's when you are going to be able to set payment method and etc like that. In case you want to withdraw, let me show you where to click to withdraw your money. So the minimum withdrawal is $10. So immediately you have minimum of $10, you will be able to withdraw your money from this platform. But as I've said in our previous guide, I said the output of this free bot that you have activated in 7 days, it's going to last for 7 days. So after 7 days, it's going to expire. So and after that 7 days, the output of the bot is not going to be up to $10. I talk more of allowing you to withdraw. So all you have to do right here is to refer others to the platform and earn. So you can click here to get to the referral page. You can also get in through this means. I want to go back to the home page, but this is as a result of the fact that I'm using PC. So it didn't mean that I'm using mobile phone. I'll be able to use back button, but right now I'm not able to use back button. So without wasting any of your time, let's just use this place and get to the invitation page. Can you see? So this is the invitation page. All you have to do is to click on invite and get reward. Then you're going to be able to copy your referral code and it's like, can you see? So immediately you copy this referral code, all you have to do is to share it with your friends and let them register with the code. So in order to get $10 after 7 days, make sure you refer at least 20 individuals to the platform. So after referring those 20 individuals and they activate their free bot, then you're going to be able to get up to $10 after 7 days. So that's it about that. But for those that cannot refer, though in our previous guide I've shown you how to refer people to any referral platform, but if you can't find referral and you want to make money on this platform and withdraw, then you can run a self referral, but make sure it is unique this time. You run it uniquely. You can make use of VPN and use separate browser So make sure you clear your browser data and etc before you register another account. So you have to you will be needing different mobile numbers. So if you have multiple SIM cards, it's going to be easier for you. And after maybe you are able to get 10 individuals, then you can add 10 referrals from your own side to the referrals that you're able to get. I think you understand what I'm talking about. So you can actually relax and do your own calculation. So that is that about that, guys. I think I've been able to show you how to activate your this thing, your free trading bots, and all the necessary stuffs. Maybe there is a part that you are expecting me to touch in this video, and I am not able to touch. Maybe I'm not remembering right now. So just drop your question in the comment section of this video. I'm going to provide the appropriate response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.